Regions business check-in. Let's have a conversation about that. And I want to really do an in-depth review, and I want to explain to you what Regions actually does when it comes to business check-in. But most importantly, I want to actually tell you whether or not it makes sense to actually go with Regions this year. So let me first talk to you about Regions business check-in. So when you think about Regions, I want you to think about a full service bank. Okay, so basically, Regions is not your national bank such as Chase or Bank of America or Wells Fargo or Citi. Regions is not also your tier two bank because see, national banks are tier one and regional banks are tier two. So Regions is actually not your tier two bank such as PNC or US Bank or Truist. Regions is a tier three bank, so it's a regional bank that's not really as regional as the earlier ones like the PNC. So think about Regions. I want you to think about a full service bank that caters to businesses in the southeastern and midwestern U.S. Okay, and so you're looking at 10 to 15 states, maximum 20. I mean, sometimes they have partnerships with other banks, so the geography goes to 20 states. But yeah, this is a tier three bank. Okay, but the cool thing is that Regions is a full service bank. I want to insist on that. It's a full service bank. So anything you want, any banking need that you have, any banking service that you want, Regions is actually capable of delivering. Okay, and they do a good job. And the bank serves a diverse range of small businesses, from startups and sole proprietorships to well-established companies in need of more complex financial services. Okay, they also have a corporate division that actually that really serves big companies and mid-sized companies too. So this is kind of important. So I want you to understand that Regions caters to multiple business types and sizes. Okay, making them a good choice for everyone who wants to actually scale. Okay, every business that wants to scale. So whether you are a startup, whether you are a nonprofit, whatever you are, Regions will take care of you. They offer several business checking options that can support higher transaction volumes and advanced cash management tools, perfect for larger or growing companies. Okay. Also, if you are a business owner and you want both digital and in-person banking, you could actually find Regions' combination of branch access, online and mobile banking tools, and 24/7 customer service especially appealing. Okay. So this is really good from a flexibility point of view. And the company's services support day-to-day transactions and long-term growth, allowing companies to scale up their financial services as they grow. So if you think about Regions Business Check-in, I want to really insist on the features that you can have and that make Regions very, I would say, appealing, very interesting. Okay. So Regions Bank offers four distinct business checking accounts. So you have to choose the account that really the business checking account that suits your specific company's needs. Okay. So you have the Advantage Business Checking, you have the Business Interest Checking, you have the Live Green Business Checking, and you have the Live Green Not-for-Profit Checking. So the Live Green Not-for-Profit is only for philanthropies and non-for-profits in general. Okay, not just philanthropies, not just charities, but also non-for-profits in general, such as even let's say government agencies too. Okay, so that's the thing. So you have four accounts, and all accounts have access to a customizable Visa debit card, safe deposit box discounts, 24-hour automated telephone banking, and mobile banking features. So if you want to actually run your Regions Bank account from your phone, from your smartphone, no problem. Regions has the capabilities to actually help you. Okay, so you have if you think about Advantage Business Checking, this account is good for businesses with moderate transaction volumes that utilize multiple Regions products. Okay, it includes up to 500 free transactions per month and offers a variety of features such as access to Regions iTreasury Small Business or Regions online banking for a business with bill pay. So if you want to waive the $25 monthly fee, you can maintain a monthly balance of $10,000, hold $30,000 across related accounts, or meet certain spending or deposit criteria. So this is kind of cool. So that's for the Advantage Business Checking. You also have the Business Interest Checking. That's the second account. And this is designed for small businesses seeking a checking account with fewer transaction limits and interest earning potential. And this account provides up to 150 free transactions per month and a monthly fee of $15 that's waivable with a 5,000 average monthly balance. Okay. It also comes with Regions iTreasury or online banking options. That's really good. And this account type offers relationship CD rates. Fantastic. Next, you have the Live Green Business Check-in. So this is actually great for sole proprietors, freelancers, and new businesses. And this account is for businesses with low transaction needs, under 150 transactions monthly. It has a $12 monthly fee, waivable if you keep a $500 balance, spend $1,000 monthly with a Regions Business debit or credit card, or receive a Regions Merchant Services deposit. So benefits include online banking with bill pay and a discount on checks. So that's really good. And finally, you have Live Green Not-for-Profit Checking. So this account provides 75 free transactions per month with no monthly fee. Okay, really good. Nonprofits also receive discounts on check orders and access to Regions banking for business with bill pay. So this is really fantastic. So you have to understand that when you think about Regions Business Check-in, you have to also account for the online banking business services. Okay, that's really good. The cool thing about Regions is that you are able to simplify your finances and keep your business one step ahead. So in the last 10 years, Regions has invested big time. They have invested millions of dollars in developing and ramping up their internet, their digital services. Okay, that's really good. So you do have Regions online banking and mobile banking. You have so that's really good. I mean, this is a service that allows you to actually to view your transactions online. Okay, and so you can take advantage of this safe and secure way to check your account balances, pay bills, transfer funds, and more. Okay. In addition, the online banking services allow you to customize your small business cash management toolkit. So that's really cool. You also have wire transfer. So wire transfer is another great service. You can send funds electronically from your small business banking account to another institution. Okay, and you have automated clearinghouse, that's ACH. So you can securely pay employees, vendors, and suppliers using the ACH network. You have also what they call people and permissions. So you can allow trusted employees to manage your accounts, make payments, and complete transactions with limited or full functionality. That's really good. Depends on the setup that you have. And you also have what they call the check inspect. You can protect your business from losses associated with fraudulent checks by using advanced check monitoring. Okay. You have the Regions quick deposit. You can deposit single or multiple checks directly into your Regions deposit accounts using a desktop scanner or mobile device. So that's really good from a flexibility point of view. You also have payroll, Paycor, not payroll, Paycor, payroll and HR services. So you can simplify payroll and complete HR tasks using a full service cloud based solution. Then you have the QuickBooks Direct Connect. Okay, so this service allows you to manage payroll, invoices, and daily business transactions using an accounting software program that connects to your small business bank accounts through online banking. This could be a QuickBooks, this could be a Zoho Books, this could be Money.com, this could be a Wave. Okay, so you always are in control. Really, think about that. Think about it that way. Now, when you think about the Regions Business Check-in, you have to understand that those online banking services have fees, okay, attached to them. So you have for wire transfers, you have basically you can send urgent, time-sensitive payments in a secure and convenient manner using domestic and international wires, okay. And you might have to actually pay a $12 monthly fee with that account, $22 per domestic wire, and $40 per international wire. Now, it's important to understand that there is a $100,000 limit per wire transaction initiated through all three Regions online banking services. Okay, You also have ACH, same thing, 100,000 limits. Okay, there is a $12 monthly fee and $1.50 fee per ACH. And if the ACH is returned, you might have to pay a $6.50, so $6.50, and a $4 fee per notification of change. For people and permission, you're looking at $8 monthly fee, and there are unlimited users. For a check inspect, you can expect $15 per account per month and 15 cents per check over 50 checks. Okay, and you also have the reverse check inspect, $15 per account per month, 7 cents per check over 150 checks. So you can see that they have actually scaled. They have scaled their pricing. For a quick deposit here, you have two things. You have the QuickBooks Direct Connect. So QuickBooks Direct Connect provides you with two-way connectivity, which allows you to automatically download transactions and match them with existing transactions, pay bills, and transfer funds using your financial management software. And then you have Direct Connect, and this is actually this will cost you $19.95, and so that's kind of cool. And for payroll and HR services, you have to understand that the cost will depend. The cost will depend on the conversation you have with Paycor, because the payroll and HR services is those services are happening because Regions has signed a partnership with Paycor. So let's talk about the Regions business check-in pros and cons. So I want to first talk to you about the pros, and then I'll talk about the cons. Okay. One thing you need to understand here is that Regions offers many advantages, like services for businesses of all sizes. You have in-person and online banking options and full-service banking. So it doesn't matter the size of your business, whether you're a small company or a large enterprise. Regions has the capabilities to actually take care of you. Okay, anything you can think about, any transaction you want the bank to initiate, the bank has the capabilities, the staff, the expertise to actually make it happen. Okay, and to make it happen fast too. So what are the pros here? Well, the bank is designed for varying business types and sizes. That's really good. Okay, you have in-person and digital banking options. So again, you are able to talk to someone 24/7. You can reach out to Regions via their mobile phone, or I mean, their mobile app, or talk to somebody over the phone 24/7, or just go to a branch and have a conversation live. Okay. You have round the clock customer support. I've already said that. Okay. You have cashback rewards and financial tools. You have enhanced account management with iTreasury. The iTreasury is a gem. It's a wonderful platform within Regions, and so this is really good. So some Regions business accounts offer iTreasury. So iTreasury is a cash management tool that can streamline payroll, bill pay, and cash flow monitoring. So if your company has complex financial needs, you could find this tool particularly helpful. Okay. And you also have full service banking. So if you go with Regions, I want to insist on that one of the top benefits that come with the Regions is the fact that you have a full service platform. Okay. In addition to Regions business checking tools, you can access business credit cards, financing, and business lines of credit. Okay, so this makes the company a great choice for your company. I mean, for your business. If you want to keep financing, if you want to receive business credit cards, if you want to also keep everything like everything else within one bank, that's really cool. So, what about the cons? If you think about Regions this year, what kind of drawbacks can you think about? Well, first of all, you have to understand that Regions is not. I think I've said this before. It's not a tier 2 bank. It's a tier 3 bank, which means that you have limited branch and ATM access. Okay, the bank is actually growing. Is actually growing, but right now they are only in Alabama, Arkansas, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kentucky, Louisiana, Mississippi, Missouri, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, and Texas. So that's about 15 states. Okay. So businesses outside of those areas may have difficulty accessing in person or a fee-free ATM. So, I mean, you could still be approved as a customer. But if you want to speak to somebody at a brick and mortar branch, Regions branch, you're not going to do that. You're not going to be able to do that if you don't live in the core geography of Regions. Okay, but hey, listen, that's what it is. So that's the first drawback: limited branch and ATM access. But like I said, I can really envision Regions to grow to PNC or U.S. Bank level in 2 or 3 years or even 5 years because the bank is growing. Is growing. You also have transaction limitations, another drawback. So some regions account have monthly transaction limits, which could lead to additional charges if exceeded, right? There are four business accounts, and you just have to see the account category that you're in and what the transactions limits are for those are for those accounts. This can be restrictive for high value businesses, which may actually need to manage transactions carefully to avoid fees, right? And then you also have additional fees and balance requirements. So this could be a little problematic too. So certain services like higher transaction allowances or cash management features require additional fees or specific minimum balance levels. So if your company cannot meet the requirements, you could start racking up extra fees, and you do not want to rack up those extra fees anyway. So basically, in terms of decision here, do you do I recommend the Regions? Definitely yes. Definitely yes. I mean, Regions is a top bank. Regions is a wonderful bank. Is a bank with stellar reputation. Okay, as long as you are in their geography, in their core geography, I would say give them a chance. At least give them a try and see if you like them or not. Okay. So again, the states where they're at: Alabama, Arkansas, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kentucky, Louisiana, Mississippi, Missouri, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, and Texas. So if you are in those areas, if you are in those if your business operates in those areas, so give them a try. This is a full service bank. Okay, they're really cool, and I love particularly their customer service. Customer service is really fantastic. 24/7. You speak to somebody. You speak to somebody in the states. I mean, now they're not really routing your call to somewhere around the world. No, you speak to someone who is local, who understands the problem that you're really talking about. So that's really good. So if you want to have if you want to have that access, that direct access to customer service, give give Regions a try. And also, basically, this business checking options that you have from Regions are a solid choice for your company if you operate within of course, the service area, but also if you value a blend of digital convenience and in-person banking relationships. Okay, so while the bank's geographic limitations and transaction thresholds might not suit every company, maybe not yours, multiple account options and comprehensive banking services make this bank a stronger contender for local organizations. So if you're a local organization, give Regions a try. Really, really fantastic. So in conclusion to this conversation, I spoke to you about Regions Business Checking. I talk about the bank. I spoke about their online banking services. Okay, banking business services. You're looking at wire transfer, automated clearinghouse, ACH. You have people and permission, check, inspect, Regions quick deposit, Paycor, payroll, and HR services, and you have QuickBooks Direct Connect. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.